There are many people who want to know how to earn an extra income but just do not know where or how to begin. You may not realize that there are many different ways in which you can accomplish this goal, and it will really all come down to your individual goals and desires. Even though it may seem very complicated at first, there are ways in which you can really make some extra cash flow from the comfort of your own home. Here are some of the ways that you can start earning some quick cash and get on your way to earning an extra income today. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to earn an extra income online without spending a dime. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. With the rise in popularity of the internet came a new concept in which people were able to make money online. There are many different ways that you can make money with the internet. One of these ways is through the use of affiliate programs. By simply promoting and selling someone else's products, you can easily make some extra income online. There are also many companies that are willing to pay you for any referrals that you bring to them, as well as some companies that give you a residual income when you refer other people to them. Another way in which you can make an extra income online is by writing articles for companies and submitting them to article directories. There are a wide variety of companies that are seeking out articles to use for their website. When you write informative articles in your own voice, they will allow you to submit them for free to article directories. When you do this and you have submitted your articles, you are getting paid for the services that you provide, and they do not even have to pay you until you actually sell a product. You can also earn money by doing online surveys. There are several companies online that want your opinion. They need to know what their customers think in order to improve the quality of their product or service. You will be able to earn an extra income each and every time that you take a survey. You are going to need a computer and an internet connection for this opportunity, because all of the survey panels that are available on the internet require you to sign up for an account with them in order to access the surveys. One of the most popular ways to earn an extra income online is through pay-per-click advertising. There are literally dozens of different ad panels that are available for pay-per-click advertising. The more money that you can create in one day, the better, because you are going to be able to quit your job that very same day. This is how to earn an extra income online, and you are certainly on your way. Pay-per-click advertising can also be used by using article marketing. All you are going to have to do is write articles about a certain topic and then submit these articles to article directories. Each time one of your articles gets published, you will receive a lot of traffic. If you want to learn how to earn an extra income online by writing articles, this is exactly how to earn an extra income online. This is another way that you can quit your job that same day. You can also use AdSense as a method so that you can earn money online. It is really easy to use AdSense ads within your own website so that you can earn money online. You just have to install a few different types of ads on your website so that you can start to make an income. You don't even have to write very much content to earn money using AdSense. All you have to do is place AdSense ads where you would like them to appear on your website. There are thousands of ways to earn an extra income online with no money whatsoever to work with. The best thing about these methods is that you can do them in the comfort of your own home. If you want to know how to earn an extra income online, you can try out any one of these methods or all of them. Just remember that you need to spend some time to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching my video about how to earn an extra income online without spending a dime. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.